A team of scientists led by Australian astronomers announced that they have discovered the fastest-growing black hole in the last 9 billion years. It was stated that the black hole swallows a mass the size of the Earth every second. The American National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, defines a black hole as a region in space where a certain amount of matter collapses into itself. Gravity is so strong in this region that nothing, including light, can escape. It has been announced that the halo of light around the last black hole detected is 7,000 times brighter than the light of the Milky Way Galaxy. In this way, it was stated that it is possible to be seen by amateur astronomers with quality equipment. In the study led by the Australian National University, it was announced that telescopes in New South Wales and Cape Town, South Africa were used. The head of the team conducting the study, Dr. People have been trying to make these kinds of discoveries for about 60 years, but this black hole probably went undetected because it's so close to the Milky Way. There are so many stars in the Milky Way that it's not easy to track all the material you detect, said Christopher Onken. He said, first photo taken of giant black hole in Milky Way Galaxy. Giant black hole discovered in the Milky Way Galaxy. Einstein's theory passes the black hole test. It was stated that the recently discovered black hole is 500 times larger than the black hole called Sagittarius A** in the center of the Milky Way. At a distance of 26,000 light-years from Earth, Sagittarius A** has almost 4 million times the mass of the Sun. Black holes can be created by the explosion and death of some large stars. Some black holes can reach truly gigantic sizes, billions of times the weight of the Sun. It is not known how these giant monsters in the center of galaxies came to be. But it is certain that it will have a major impact on the future and transformation of galaxies. Thanks to the discovery of this latest black hole, astronomers hope to find new clues about how galaxies form. Australian National University researchers claimed that the black hole named J1144 is the fastest-growing black hole in the last 9 billion years. It is estimated that the land, not the land, which is said to swallow an area the size of the Earth every second, has the mass of 3 billion suns. It has been announced that the halo of light around the last black hole detected is 7,000 times brighter than the light of the Milky Way Galaxy. The head of the team conducting the study, Dr. Christopher Onken, said that the black hole could not have been noticed, most likely because it was so close to the Milky Way. With the discovery, astronomers hope to find new clues about how galaxies form. At the beginning of 2022, scientists reached a dataset that they could not make sense of at first. Investigations have detected an anomalous celestial body in the Milky Way Galaxy, of which our planet Earth is also a part. It was suggested that the object in question was a stray black hole. This is not a common situation in space. Black holes, which are very massive in mass, attract the material around them. These data were reanalyzed by another team of scientists. Both groups reached the same conclusion. It has been determined that the object in question is a space-faring black hole in the Milky Way Galaxy. On the other hand, a group of researchers at the University of Berkeley came to a different conclusion. In the study by Casey Lamb and Jessica Liu, it was stated that the object in question could be a neutron star. This debate in the scientific world led to the birth of a new research method for dark objects. The researchers studied how the gravitational fields of these objects bend and warp light as they pass by other stars. With this microlensing made to gravity, it was possible to detect the invisible matter because it was dark. With microlensing, we're able to examine and weigh these lonely, compact objects. I think we've opened a new window into these dark objects that can't be seen any other way, Liu said. Black holes are defined as the collapsed cores of massive stars that have reached the end of their lives and have ejected their outer material. It is stated that even black hole progenitor stars, which are considered to be short-lived, are at least 30 times larger in mass than the Sun.